In this video, we're going to talk about minus indices. So, for example, if you have x to the minus 2, what does that actually mean? Okay, let's go back a few steps. So x to the power 3 means, well, you get that any number, this number here, whatever it is, times by itself 3 times. Okay, so x to the power of 2 means times by itself twice. X to the power of 1, well, that's just x, and in the previous video, x to the power of 0. Well, remember, I told you just to accept this. Okay, x to the power of 1 is, sorry, x to the power of 0 is 1. Now, x to the power of minus 2. Well, again, there are lots of explanations on the internet, but when you see this, just visualize it as this: 1 over x squared. So whenever you see a x to the minus something, well, visualize it as this. So whenever you see a minus here, it's hard to understand what's going on here. If you have something like this, x to the minus 3, it's really hard to understand what's going on. If you have x to the power 4, that's easy. It means this times by itself 4 times. Okay, times by itself 4 times. Well, whenever you see this, it's really hard to understand what's going on. So just visualize it like this: 1 over, and then to the power of 3. Visualize it like this. The minus here disappears. That's all it is. So when you see something like this, it's hard to understand what's going on here. Just inside your mind, jump to this. Okay. So for example, let's say 2 to the power of minus 6. Well, it's hard to understand. I could understand 2 to the power of 6. It means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 6 times. Hang on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means this. But this here, it's really hard to understand what's going on. So whenever you see this, jump to this straight away: 1 over 2 to the power of 6. Okay, so then this equals 1 over 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, and that equals, well, hang on, 1 over, let's merge these two together, that's 4, 4 times, merge these two together, that's 4, okay, times, let's merge these two together, that's 4. Okay, now let's remember, this is 2 to the power of minus 6. We don't, it's really hard to visualize this, so we would jump to this. Okay, so basically this we can't, well, this is this. Okay, and 2 to the minus 6 is this. Okay, now let's merge these two together. So it would be 1 over 16 times 4, and then jump to 16 times 4. This will be 24, carry the 2. This would be 6. So it would be 1 over 64. Okay, so 2 to the minus 6 is actually 1 over 64. So whenever you see something like 3 to the power of minus 4, say, this minus here is really, it's really hard to understand what's going on. So immediately jump to something like this: 3 to the power of 4, and then try to work this out. Okay, because this minus here is really hard to understand what's going on. Okay, so whenever you see something like this, let's say x to the power of minus any number a. So just imagine this as 1 over x to the power of a. Okay, so again, I don't know, 7 to the power of minus 2. You could understand 7 squared. That's 7 times 7. But this thing here, immediately jump to 1 over 7 squared, which is 1 over 7 times 7, which is 1 over 49. Okay, so this would be the same as this. Okay.